just to save my life, I am happy. Just go back, alhamdulillah. But because all the things are here, it is nothing. It's not feeling well. I was working in the Sudan from last 13 years, and due to the situation of peace and security here, due to this war, I left everything, my house, my car, my everything. All the saving of 13 years I'm living here.
I feel sad. I was hoping that while I was here, things would resolve. There would be some kind of a reconciliation, a path towards some kind of peace settlement, and unfortunately that is not in the near future. It doesn't seem like it is, but yeah, I'm hopeful for Sudan. It's an amazing country, beautiful people, a lot of potential there, and I hope I can contribute to it, whether I'm no matter where I am in the world.